In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize footage to 4K and export to H.264 in Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll keep things simple. Import a clip, set up a high-resolution sequence, resize it so it fills the frame cleanly, and export a crisp file that's ready to share. First, import your clip and drop it into the timeline. You can drag it straight from the project panel or use the media browser if that's your preference. Placing it on the timeline gives you a quick preview and lets you confirm the clip's native aspect ratio and framing. Don't worry if Premiere makes a sequence that matches the clip automatically. We're about to create the sequence we actually want for delivery. Next, create a sequence with your target resolution. For 4K UHD, that's 3840 by 2160. Open the sequence settings and choose the exact frame size you need for your project. Matching this now ensures your export will be the right size without letterboxing or pillarboxing. Once the sequence is created, make sure your clip is inside this sequence. If it's still on the original lower resolution timeline, copy it over so you're working in the higher resolution space. With the clip selected, head to Effect Controls, then under Motion, find Scale. Increase or decrease the scale value until the image fills the frame edge to edge. If your clip is smaller than the sequence, you'll be scaling up. If it's larger, you may scale down a bit. Keep an eye on the edges to avoid cutting off important details and use position to nudge the framing if needed. Uniform scale should stay enabled so you don't accidentally warp the image. If you see black bars, keep adjusting until they disappear or reframe slightly to protect your subject. When everything looks right, it's time to export. Go to File, Export Media. Set the format to H.264, which creates an MP4 that balances quality and file size. In the export settings, match your sequence's higher resolution. For 4K UHD, confirm 3840 by 2160 in the video dimensions. Double-check the frame rate matches your sequence and scan the summary to confirm the output size is correct. Choose a descriptive file name and a save location you'll remember, then queue or export to